Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video here on the channel. My name is Denver Crypto, and thank you guys once again for tuning into this amazing new video on the channel, guys. Today I will be, of course, uploading another video for you guys because, yes, guys, today I see a very exciting chart for Ethereum, and let's go right away into the chart because, guys, right now we are, of course, trading on an extreme important level that I want to be seeing Ethereum bouncing from, and of course, this looks like a very good accumulation level for your spot position and for your long trade. So if you're an Ethereum holder, you should be definitely watching this video to the end. It's not a long video, it's just a quick update on the market because, yeah, I see the price dropping. I will be recording a video for you guys. So without further ado, let's go right away into the video as well, guys. Don't forget to hit up that like button. Let's go for 400 likes on this one. And as well, if you're new to the channel, make sure to become a subscriber as well here. And of course, you will be not missing out on these time-related videos because that's, of course, very important to do so. So Ethereum has been increasing for the past days here. Of course, if we go to coin market cap, we can see Ethereum still outperforming Bitcoin on the daily candles here. So that is, of course, extremely good looking here. But right now, Ethereum is falling a little bit here. But is this the reason to panic here? Yes, guys, there's so much fear in the market currently. But for me, once everyone is in fair, I will be accumulating, and that's the exact same point with Ethereum right now. I mean, guys, we are sitting at the last points of this sell-off. We will be seeing new autumn highs. I can already ensure you, of course, this is no financial advice, it's my own opinion on the market, but yes, we will be seeing a new autumn high, and you depend. It is on you if you want to be accumulating your Ethereum on 2,400 US dollars, or you will be accumulating it around 4,000 US dollars. Of course, it's your own decision. You, of course, can do whatever you want, but I should be definitely not hesitating to accumulate some Ethereum around this level. And there are multiple reasons for that. Of course, you can see over here, massive support was getting found here for Ethereum. Massive resistance was getting found on Ethereum right there. And right now we are retesting the previous resistance. And I think we can be definitely finding very good support on it. And of course, on time of recording, we are exactly trading on this level. And I will be trying to get this video out for you guys as soon as possible. So I will be keeping this video short because I don't want you guys to miss out on this opportunity. And of course, if we're going to fall further, we can be looking for lower prices. Besides that, guys, this level is also not just a level that we are trading on. We are also trading on daily support. As you can see here, guys, the reason why I'm also feeling very exciting, Ethereum compared to US dollar was forming an all-time high over here. Since then, got rejected, but once closing above it, you can see this run up was getting started. Right now, of course, we broke above it once again here. We broke above it yesterday, and the likelihood that we're today going to create this wick on the lower side and see more upwards momentum is extremely high, and that is the reason why I accumulate this long position. And guys, you can be also joining my training competition on Bybit in the link in the description, highest link in the description. Already make sure to sign up as well here, because yes, there's a prize pool of 1 Bitcoin for all the people that are going to join it. Of course, if you're already trading, why should you not join it? Because it's completely for free. So make sure to do so. It will be, of course, very amazing if you're joining it, because then we will be going into the competition over there, and it will be, of course, very lovely to see here. So email ribbon on the daily. Yeah, we are still getting a rejection from it. That is also the reason why I do think, yeah, Ethereum is right now seeing a correction. And guys, we're just not going to easily smash through this level. It's, of course, very hard to break through these levels, and let's see what we will be doing here. But as well, on the 4-hourly candles, this daily support line was holding us up very strong here. So yeah, the next 1 hour and 30 minutes will be very important for Ethereum as well here. And besides that, guys, on the 1-hourly, the EMA is, of course, still providing us major support because we're trading above it. And right now we are exactly retesting it. So yeah, let's see how this will be holding up. Currently, we are still creating this red candle over here. We are seeing the price is still falling from here on. But also, this was the thing that I was anticipating already, that the retest of this perfect, this downward slope and resistance line on the 4 hour. So yeah, you can see over here, Ethereum was forming a downward slope and resistance line on the 4 hour. And of course, since breaking through here, you also want to be having this retest. And that is also exactly what we are currently having. So yeah, there are multiple things coming together. Do you want to be accumulating? Yes. Do you want to be going out of Ethereum? No, I definitely don't think so. I think it's stupid to sell it for a loss right now if you're on a loss. But I mean, it looks to be a very good opportunity. Also, retest of this perfect downward slope and resistance line, guys. I mean, you want to be embracing these opportunities. This looks extremely good here, and I can't wait to see where it's heading towards. So, yes, guys, this was a quick update here. Last thing that we'll be discussing here is the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, guys. You can see here earlier today, also talked about it. Yeah, we got rejected from the 0.382 here. Since then, we were seeing a correction towards the downside, but I should definitely not hesitate to look to accumulate some. Of course, biggest accumulation levels will be sitting around the 6.2% of a Bitcoin. That will be my next target, to accumulate more amounts of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. But right now we are getting a minor rejection here. Will be looking bright anytime soon here once again here. Let's see how this will be developing, of course. In order to flip extremely bullish for the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin pair, I want to be seeing a close above the 0.382 here, like I told you earlier as well here. But guys, I will be wrapping up the video right now because I want to be pushing this video out as soon as possible so you guys won't be missing out on this important content and of course this important support level for Ethereum. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and of course subscribe to the channel if you want to be seeing more of these time related videos. And as last thing guys, what I want to be saying here is don't forget to ring the bell notification. Goodbye.